Show you the craziest junk electrical things that I've got. And these were all obtained for a children's holiday club I was involved in a few years ago, doing all the set building and stuff, and it was like a recording studio. And it just so happened that where I work, I came across this whole pile of stuff that was being thrown away, and I got permission to take it away, and they didn't want it back again. So I sold most of the stuff on eBay after we'd used it, but some of the more interesting things I kept. So the two things I'm going to show you are a massive video camera and a video editor. So this is the massive video camera, and you can see from my foot here just how big it is. And we open it up, and it's this huge great video camera, you see. And it's got loads of like sockets and buttons and goodness knows what on it. There's one problem with these video cameras, which I found on the internet, is that it has lines on the picture, and it's because it wasn't designed very well, and some of the capacitors degrade, and then you get these lines on the picture. And the other thing that was in the same haul was this smaller Sanyo video camera, more like a domestic thing. And then over here we've got this video editing controller, and that came with a keyboard for doing titling. I've never used the keyboard. And this thing in the middle is the power supply for the huge video camera, because it didn't have any batteries with it, and I had to make up this power lead for it. So I thought I'd make this video because the weather's a bit rubbish here today. Although the weather forecast in February here is supposed to be like it is in May, actually it's been really foggy for the last few days. Probably because I'm near the sea here in Exeter. So all the wheelie guys to the east of London have been making videos, and it looks like summertime and they're all wearing shorts. Here the weather's really rubbish, so I decided to make this video. Okay, so I've connected everything up now. Here we've got the big video camera, and there we've got the small video camera. Here we've got the video editor, and I've also got the television connected onto another channel on here. So the video editor is really exciting. You can mix between sources. You can do a wipe, so this is between the two video cameras, and you can choose your wipe patterns from all sorts. You can have a triangle coming in, you can have a sort of zoom from the center. So then source one is the television, so I can choose that and I can go between the sources. You can also do a mix instead of a wipe, or you can do a non-additive mix where it mixes by colour. There's all sorts of stuff on here. You can do chroma key there, so you can have people on a green screen and record them against a different background. You can do all sorts of weird effects if you want to. I haven't used any of these for a long time. There you go, you can do crazy things with Match of the Day and have it like a weird painting effect, or black and white, like a pixelation type thing you can do. You can have it going negative if I turn some of these other effects off. So there's Match of the Day in negative. You can change the teams around so they're in yellow shirts instead of blue ones. It's quite good, hey? So then looking at the different cameras, we've got the small camera is on source 3, so we can do all the normal sort of things like zooming in and out. Actually the picture's better on the small camera than on the big one. And then the big camera, which are on source 2, you can see all the lines on the picture there where the capacitors have gone. So obviously you can do the normal sort of zoomy stuff. You can do colour bars like a test pattern on the screen. So you can see it's got lots of exciting buttons on it there, and massive lens on the front. So I hope you've enjoyed the crazy junk electrical video. Thanks for watching. Just a quick update on the wheeliometer production line. Look, we've got 3 boxes fully cut now for the next 3 wheeliometers. I'm just waiting for a few extra components from to arrive from China, and then I'll be able to assemble them.